this unit, the suction line, it's freezing. So I'm going to check right now the airflow, and then I will see the pressures. Today my customer from Santa Clara called me to fix her air conditioning. The lines outside was freezing up, and I told it's going to be the airflow issue or the unit's low on freon. So I checked the ductwork, there's no restriction, and I noticed the blower, the furnace blower, is not working. So I'm going to take care of the blower and the unit will work okay. This blower housing is dirty. I'm going to wash it, clean it, so the airflow circulate better. This blower housing was dirty. Right now the wheel is nice and clean, so it will put enough air through the system. So I fixed the blower in the furnace. Right now the suction line, the pipes are not freezing. Before, the airflow was not circulating inside, so that's why the pipes were freezing. Now the blower is working in the furnace, so the suction line, all the pipes outside, is not going to freeze. Right now there's airflow circulation.